Everyone wants to talk about overnight success, but no one talks about the pain behind the scenes, the years of grinding, the early mornings, the late nights, the sacrifices, the doubts, the moments where quitting felt easier than continuing. They see the result, the car, the house, the fame, the followers, but they don't see the rejection emails, the missed birthdays, the empty bank account, the 10 failed ideas before one finally worked. People love the destination, but they ignore the road that leads there. That road is lonely. That road is painful. That road breaks you before it builds you. You think someone just blew up? You think they got lucky? No. They stayed consistent when it was boring. They showed up when it felt pointless. They kept going when no one believed. You want to be great? Stop searching for shortcuts. Stop waiting for a moment that changes everything. And start becoming the person who can survive the journey. The truth is, there's no elevator to success. You've got to take the stairs, step by step. Fall and rise, lose and learn, again and again. Every overnight success you admire was someone working silently for years. Someone who failed privately, cried in silence, but never gave up. So if you're working and nobody sees it, if you're pushing and nobody claps, if you're tired and the reward feels far away, keep going. Because success doesn't shout when it's coming. It whispers. And one day it knocks. Stay patient. Stay consistent. Because what feels invisible today might just be unstoppable tomorrow. Your time is coming, but only if you don't give up now.